All right, here's a little tutorial on using iMovie to make the read aloud videos. So what I did, I actually took pictures of the pages of the book that I was reading because there were a lot of vocab words that I felt like kids were going to need to see pictures of. So I just took pictures that I put on the slides, and then I used just text boxes and added in the vocab. And then the first slide here, I just put the book cover and then a couple of photos to help build some background knowledge. So what I did in order to get video of me actually reading the text was I just went ahead and I pressed present. And then I did which I'm recording right now, so I don't know if this will even let me show you, but I swiped down and pressed the screen record button. And that's how I recorded myself reading the pages. So once I finished that and I turned off that recording, then I filmed a video oh my gosh, why won't this let me close? I filmed a video just of myself sitting in the chair giving like a little introduction. And then to put them together into one video, I go to iMovie and I press to create a new movie. And then I'm going to get the clips that I want. So they should be saved on your camera roll. So this was the one of me recording the pages. These two were. And then here was one of me giving a little intro to the book. So I'm going to click Create Movie. And now, so the intro one went to the very end. So I'm going to have to press and drag it, oh my gosh, hold down and drag it to the beginning, which is kind of annoying. And I'm sure there's a better way to do this than just like dragging it and waiting forever. But this is the only way I know how. But yeah, I'm sure there's a better way to do this. But anyway, so I'm going to move my little intro clip to the very beginning. And then honestly, they're already pretty much put together. The only thing you might want to do is adjust like the lengths of the clips, or you might want to adjust the volume or something like that. So, okay, almost there. Okay, all right, so finally I've got that at the beginning. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to trim the clips. Okay, so let's say that very beginning couple seconds, I want to take those out. So I'm going to press and hold the very left side of this and just move it to where I want it to start. Okay, so now that gets rid, it kind of like crops the video. And then let's go to where it transitions into the other clip.
But it's a true story.
Now okay, so I think the default transition is just like a fade, but you can change that if you want. If you want no transition, you can select none. You can do like a wipe kind of thing. That might be good for books. I don't know. You can choose whatever transition you want. And then that's pretty much it. If I had wanted to, like, if I noticed that my voice was like kind of softer in the first clip than when I started to record the pages, I can also click on the clip and I can click volume at the bottom and I can adjust the volume. So that's pretty much it. Then you're going to click done in the upper corner. And then you can change the title of the movie. And then you're going to want to make sure to press the little share export button at the bottom and then save video. And I always do the HD 720 one. And it does take a couple of minutes to save it. But then once you have it saved, you can upload it. I've been uploading mine to YouTube and then linking to those in Schoology. So that's pretty much it. I hope that helps.